Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to debug and fix common issues in applications generated using the Bolt. It is an AI-powered dev assistant. Whether you're hitting syntax error or broken roads, we've got you covered. So let's get started. First, we need to understand the code Bolt generates. The Bolt often gives you a fully working code, but it's essential to review it. Look for each function, route, or component to understand what it's doing, especially if you're chaining the prompts. First, you need to double check the missing commas, brackets, or inconsistent indentation. Most syntax issues can be caught by running the file locally. Here is the example. And then add a logging or debugging. When something doesn't work as expected, add console.log statement to trace the problem. Then test the API routes or components. You can use a Postman or a Thunder client to test the API responses. Then if the route is not found or 404, make sure that the route is defined after you initialize your middleware and before the app.listen function. Use a bolt to refactor or fix the bugs. You can use the bolt to automatically refactor or fix the bugs, for example, like this: paste your buggy code and let the bolt handle it. And that's it. That's how you debug and fix the common issues in Bolt apps. With a smart logging, clear prompts, and right tools, you'll turn errors into progress. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more Bolt dev tips. Thanks for watching.